Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 1, Exchanging News. In ancient times, people did not know how to write. They communicated with each other through sign language and later through speech. To send messages to faraway places, people used to beat drums. This sound was picked up by other drummers and the drum beats were repeated to convey the message. Sometimes people send messages by reflecting the light of a mirror to a distant point. They also used smoke and fire signals to send messages. The drawback with all these means of communication was that the messages were not always clear. This problem was solved when people developed the art of writing. In the early days, pigeons were trained to deliver letters. Messengers too ran as fast as they could. Carrying letters from one person to another, messengers on horseback could do this faster. These days, there are highly developed, extremely efficient means of communication. That is postal system. Today, letters can be sent all over the country at a nominal cost. It is important to address them correctly, adding the PIN code. PIN is the short form for postal index number. In our country, it has 6 digits. Parcels too can be sent by post if a letter has to reach an intended recipient very quickly. The sender can use speed post facility also. People also make use of the many courier services that deliver letters and packages as soon as possible. The fastest method of voice communication is the telephone. There are telephone exchanges throughout the country that connect calls in seconds. Fax machines are connected to telephone lines. Printed matter can be sent through fax machines. A fax machine takes picture of a printed page and sends it to another fax machine anywhere in the world by means of electric signals. In addition to regular telephones, which are used at homes and offices, there are cellular or mobile phones. These can be carried around in pockets and purses, so that people can make or receive calls wherever they are. It is possible to send instant text messages, photos or videos through this mobile phone from one phone to another. Communicating with a large number of people at the same time is possible through the radio, television and newspaper. These means of communications are called mass media because they reach a large number of people. These masses. Television is both educational and entertaining. Unlike the radio, the television or TV enables us not only to hear what is happening around the world but also to see it. Satellites are used for long-distance communication, making it possible for us to view an event live. The very moment it is taking place, thus we can enjoy the football or cricket match being played in any part of the world from the comfort of our homes. Newspapers and magazines are available in various languages. These carry news reports as well as interesting articles. Computers are now the most popular and fastest means of communication. Messages can now be easily sent through computers by email. This happens because computers in different parts of the world are connected to each other by a system called Internet. The latest information concerning various topics can be had through the Internet and games can be played on it as well. New words and its meanings. Means of communication, ways of exchanging information. Postal index number, a group of numbers at the end of an address to help the postman locate the exact area where a person lives. Courier, someone who delivers documents and parcels. Telephone exchange, place from where all the telephones of an area are controlled. Email, short form for electronic mail, which can be sent from computer to computer. Internet, a worldwide computer network by which users can connect their computer to another computer anywhere in the world. In text questions, name the fastest method of voice communication. Telephone. What is the full form for PIN? The full form for PIN is postal index number. What is mass media? Communicating with a large number of people at the same time is possible through the radio, television and newspaper. These means of communications are called mass media. What is the difference between radio and television? Unlike the radio, the television or TV enable us not only to hear what is happening around the world, but also to see it. Activity. Find out what the following stand for. ISD, STD. Then, next activity. Write the complete postal address of your house along with the PIN code. Do the activity with the help of your parents. Read the lesson very well and find out the in-text questions. And read the lesson very well, study well, all the best. Thank you.